What is up, Flavor family? It is Bobby and my dad, Johnny P, coming at you from ALDI because Father's Day is coming up, and ALDI asked me to make a really quick and easy Father's Day recipe with awesome ingredients here from ALDI. So I thought Johnny and I would hit the store, do a quick grocery haul with some really cool ingredients here that are healthy and great prices, then go back to the kitchen and we're gonna make a double cheeseburger, smash burger on low carb cloud bread bun. It is the ultimate low carb Father's Day treat. You ready for that one, Dad?
Yeah.
And it also is something you can make all summer long. So let's do some shopping, Dad, and then head back to the kitchen, all right?
Yeah.
All right, I think the first thing we need, Dad, for the cheeseburger is beef, right?
Right.
So one of the best things I love here at ALDI is the grass-fed ground beef. So it's 100% grass-fed, grass finish, which when you're looking for grass-fed, Dad, you have to see 100% grass-fed or grass-fed, grass-finished. Otherwise, the cattle are finished on grain. And when you finish the cattle on grain the last 6 months of their life, you actually reverse a lot of the health benefits of that. Speaking of the health benefits, this has higher omega-3s, lower omega-6s, and it's a really heart-healthy ground beef. But the price, have you ever seen grass-fed beef for that low, John?
No.
It has the Good Housekeeping seal emblem on here, $5.29 a pound here. For organic on top of it is amazing. So that is a huge scoop for our cheeseburger. So let's get that. And then speaking of cheeseburgers, let's check out the cheese. For that, we have grass-fed cheddar here at ALDI too. So we have grass-fed beef, grass-fed cheese. This is a product of Australia. I did not even know they had grass-fed cheese here, which is really cool. We'll grate that later on and put it on the burgers. We mentioned earlier the cloud bread buns for the burger. To make that, it's really two ingredients. It's eggs and cream cheese. So we'll get a couple packs of the cream cheese here. It's $1.29, but I love this recipe. I think I shared it with you guys a long time ago. It's basically whipped eggs, whipped cream cheese. It bakes into these light, airy, pillowy cloud breads. You've had them before, right, John?
Yes.
They're low carb, and it's gonna make the perfect bun for the burger. I can't wait to show you guys that. We need a couple toppings, right, for our burgers. So I think if we get crispy iceberg lettuce is great. The organic section is getting pretty cool here. The prices are great, and then I think we need some tomatoes for the top of our burger. So here's a pack of Campari organic tomatoes. They also have cauliflower now, strawberries, blueberries. So the organic game and the grass-fed game is getting really, really strong here at ALDI. Avocado oil. Probably my favorite oil here at ALDI. We talked about it in the previous haul. It's not only a great price at $6.99, it also is a heart-healthy oil. Much like the beef, it's high in omega-3s, low in omega-6s. It has no flavor, so we can cook that burger and taste that pure grass-fed flavor. And it also has a high smoke point, so it won't burn. So we're gonna grab that, and then if we swing around here, I just wanna show you something I saw recently. This is a new item here, almond flour. And I like on the packaging how they put keto-friendly, low carb, and all natural. And this is one of the better prices here. It's $6 a pound. We made these recently with the Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuit recipe from the cookbook. It's fantastic. So I always have a couple of these in my pantry. And then I think the last item we need is right down here. You can use a little bit of organic thyme or oregano. We'll just dust that on top of the cloud bread before they go in the oven. And the Simply Nature brand has a pretty good price here at $2.29. Okay, we have everything for our burgers. Let's go home, make the burgers, and show you how to do it proper. Okay, my friends, we're back in the kitchen. I'm hungry, Johnny's hungry. Let's get rocking on these double cheeseburger smash burgers. I busted out my flat cast iron pan here. I'm gonna preheat that. I want that so there's a lot of room in there so we can smash them and get them flat. But keep in mind, it is summertime now, so you could make these on the grill too. So let's form our burgers here. I have the grass-fed organic beef, and I kind of want to make sure each one of these burger patties is the same size. So it might seem a little geeky, but I broke out my digital scale here, and I want each one to be 4 ounces. That way they cook evenly, and they're roughly the same size, so that's perfect. Another way I usually do this is I save like an old peanut butter jar lid, and I line the lid with a little bit of plastic wrap, so after I weigh them, I can form the burgers the same size, but for this, we're gonna smash them with a spatula. So those are good to go. Let me wash my hands, and then we'll throw some avocado oil down on the grill. Let's add a shot of that avocado oil from the store. Let that heat up for a second. Spread that oil evenly around the pan. And now I'm just gonna take one of the patties. And here's how you make a smash burger. Take a heavy spatula and just press down and go as flat as possible, and then release it. And then as soon as the burger is down, season it with a generous pinch of salt and a few cracks of pepper. And then for the second one, once again, burger goes down just like a meatball, and then push down pretty much as hard as you can, just like that. So the beauty of the smash burger is that you're creating a lot of surface area. More surface area, more caramelized crispy meat, and tons of flavor. So these cook really quick. Just make sure to season them, and then as soon as they flip, we'll put some melted cheese down. But let's grate that cheese really quick. Let's cut open the grass-fed cheddar, and then grate a good amount. Enough for 2 burgers, one for me, one for Dad. One cool thing I forgot to tell you guys at the store is that ALDI is now on Instacart. So you can have all your favorite groceries delivered to your house, including the ingredients for this recipe. In the description box is a clickable grocery list. It loads up on Instacart, and you can make beef burgers in no time. And then as soon as you flip it, put some of that grated cheese right over the top. Make sure to cover the surface area. And then what I like to do to make sure the cheese melts evenly is put just a couple ice cubes down a sheet tray. I hate when you get a cheeseburger and the cheese isn't melted completely. You know, it's still kind of like in slice form. Number one, I like to grate it. That helps it melt evenly. But if you put the ice cube, that does 2 things. It melts that cheese really nice, and the cheese almost hugs around the burger, and that extra moisture keeps the beef really, really juicy. So let that do its thing for another minute and a half, and then we'll take it off. All right, let's take the sheet tray off. Beautiful. That's what you want. See how the cheese is just completely and evenly melted? When you start getting these pieces here that kind of get crispy, that's what it's all about. And then I'll cook the second burger, and that's it. All right, burgers are done. They're kind of like a steak now in that you want to let them rest for about 1 minute because the juices are going wild right now. And if you bite into it or put it on the bun, it's really going to sog that. Now, speaking of the bun, here they are. These are the low-carb cloud bread. I think we made them a while back on the channel, but they're the perfect low-carb bun for this burger. Super duper easy and low in carbs. All you have to do is separate 6 eggs, the whites from the yolks, and then add a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar to the egg whites, and then beat it up until it's stiff peaks. Then go ahead and add a 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of full-fat cream cheese to the egg yolks, and beat that until it's well incorporated. And then add the egg white to the egg yolk mixture and fold it in. Be very careful not to mix, not to stir. You want to fold it so the egg whites stay nice and light. Then use a 1/2 cup measurer. Add the batter to a lined sheet tray. Smooth it out into the shape of a bun. Top it with dried herbs like thyme or oregano, and then bake it in a 300-degree oven for about 27 to 30 minutes until golden brown. Let's build this burger by putting some lettuce down, then one of the smash burgers, and then the other one right on top, a couple tomatoes, and the top bread, and then squish it down, make it nice and compact. Burgers are built. Johnny, enjoy your smash burger. That looks pretty darn epic.
Very good.
Nice, right? Mm-hmm. Wow. The meat has insane caramelization on there, and that's the beauty of the smash burger. The buns are nice, right? Mm-hmm. They're so soft. Each bun has like roughly 1 carb. You guys, this is amazing. The recipe is down below. When you make this, share your experience and tag ALDI on social media. The macros are down there, all that good stuff. Make this for Father's Day. Do it inside, do it on the grill. It's Johnny P approved. We got 2 more videos going below us right now. But Dad and I will see you soon. Until then, hashtag keep on cooking, mad love, and peace. Go, huh?
These are not crumbling.
That's good.